My dear students, once again, my hearty welcome to you to the error identification. I have given now 6 sentences. In the previous paper, I have given only 4 sentences to identify the error. Now I am giving 6 sentences. Please go through, I will give time, full time. But answer with your own knowledge. Nobody helps you in exams, that too online exams, very perfectly conducted. So try to answer, but take your own time. In which part of the sentence the error occurs? Okay, let me explain the examples, 6 examples. Error identification. Identify the errors in the following sentences. How many? 6. Total 10 sentences. You see, first one, fifth one. We have completed 4. Now fifth one. I have been to. Observe. You have to observe the verbs, that is tenses, prepositions, conjunctions, degrees of comparison, active voice, passive voice. These things must be in your mind. Keeping all these things in your mind, read the sentence quickly and slowly later. I have been to, this is A part. A part. America for 10 days. America for 10 days, B part. To attend a medical conference last month. So to attend a medical, C part, conference last month, D part. So the sentence is divided into 4. There may be error in any part. If no error, your answer is E. Second one. My brother not only attends civil service exams but also Group 1 exams since 2019. See, my brother not only, A part, attends civil service exams, B part, but also Group 1 exams, C part, since 2019. So, divided into 4 parts, identify the error. Seventh one, the principal invited. The principal invited. First part A. The winners to come. The winners to come, B part. Upon the stage 2. Upon the stage 2. That is C. That is let me see. To receive the prizes, D. The principal invited, A part. The winners to come, B part. Upon the stage, C part. To receive the prizes. Okay. Identify the error. My father advised me. My father advised me / A part. Not to rely in, that is B part, friends and relatives to. Friends and relatives to. Again, get success in the life. Get success in the life is B part. My father advised me, A part, not to rely in, B part, friends and relatives to, that is C part, get success in the life. And ninth question. Hardly he, that is A part, had entered the room, B part, he searched he searched C part, his seat number D part. See, hardly he had entered the room, hardly he had entered the room when he searched his seat number. So hardly he, A part, had entered the room, that is B part, when he searched C part, his seat number D part. Identify the mistake or error. Last, I have to settle, that is A part, in my life too. B part, look after my C part, parents on 20 I have to settle in my life to look after my parents on 2022. Okay, I have to settle in my life to look after my parents on 2022. So again A, B, C, D. So carefully read the sentences and answer A or B or C or D or E. If there is error, you have to go for A or B or C or D. If there is no answer, you go for E. Okay, carefully read. I have given plenty of time. Tomorrow morning by 8, I will explain. Then you mind your score. Out of 10, how many marks you got? For errors, if you choose wrong answer, -1/4. -1/4. Okay, this is about the question paper regarding identification of mistakes or errors. This is very vital. You can score 5 out of 5. But this is based on prelims. Be careful. Prelims also not easy to qualify in English, particularly in English. Okay, my dear students, already I asked you to make your friends subscribe or view my channel or like my channel. Thank you. Good night.